This time mo lang gamin nga parang na-demonize ang comic. Maybe that is a contributing factor na the content ng comics is parang it influences you to think differently, to think bad, parang gano'n yata.
Yes, actually, no, once you think about the thing na influencing, it happens to all mediums na ganun. When
Yeah.
you paint a radical painting, that is casting a content dapat lang negative. The same not lang.
The same with
The same with the filmmaking.
this thing that we're doing, the same.
Yes, the same that we're doing. It's the same. It's just so happens na comics gamin is very effective tool.
Yeah.
Iso nga may samat lang nga naka-contribute iti conditioning. Iso nga ron nga dito mat lang di may sang inusar tayo actually nga ba.